He's been in prison for 23 years, but tonight Lamonte McIntyre has new hope for freedom following a stunning day in court.
McIntyre says he's wrongfully convicted in a 1994 double murder. People working for two innocence projects say they have powerful evidence to prove it.
Today, that information was shared with a judge, and investigative reporter Angie Racono is live outside the Wyandotte County Courthouse with new details. Angie.
Ellen and Brad, today was pretty brutal. You have the victims' families telling the judge, hey, we told police and prosecutors 23 years ago they had the wrong man, and no one listened. One person looked at Lamonte McIntyre in court and said, I'm sorry, you were the fall guy. And another actually blew him a kiss. But even worse is what investigators said in court.
This was the shoddiest police investigation I've ever encountered in 38 years of doing this work, working 90 different cases.
Jim McCluskey is the founder of Centurion Innocence Project. He spent years investigating this 1994 double murder.
All they wanted to do was clear a case, get an ID, and move on.
He calls the behavior of investigators shameful, pointing out they closed the case in 6 hours and didn't even interview all the eyewitnesses. He specifically called out former KCK detective Roger Golubski in court, saying he's the dirtiest cop he's seen in 40 years. And he told the judge about allegations he heard from women who had no power to fight back.
They're afraid that if they don't do what he wishes, they'll end up in jail. It's bad. It's really bad, and has been going on for 30-some years. And the KCK police turned a blind eye to that. They knew what was going on. Everybody knew it.
Detective Roger Golubski later became a captain. He served 30 years with the department. He has never been charged with any crime, but the current KCK police chief has said that all of the allegations need to be independently investigated by either the KBI or the FBI. Now, we have reached out to Detective Golubski and his lawyer. Both have declined to comment. Reporting in KCK, Angie Racono, KCTV 5 News.